Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making gumbo. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 7 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of water, 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1/2 pound of andouille sausage, 1/2 pound of shrimp, 1/2 pound of crab legs, 2 stalks of celery, 1 white onion, 1 green bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of gumbo filet, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Today, I'll be making a dry roux. It yields the same result as a wet roux. Add 1 cup of flour to a pan or an oven-safe dish. Transfer to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 35 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Be mindful, do not burn your flour, but allow it to reach a cinnamon-like color. Remove it from the oven and set it aside. Now add the flour to a bowl, then whisk in 3 cups of chicken stock. Now set it aside until later. In your Dutch oven, using medium heat, bring 2 tablespoons of oil to temperature. Saute the bell pepper, celery, and onion for 8 minutes or until they appear translucent. Now add the garlic and continue sauteing for another 2 minutes. Add 4 cups of chicken stock, your chicken, then your water and bay leaf. Cover and allow your chicken to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the chicken and bay leaves from the pot and allow the chicken to cool before shredding. Return the liquid to a boil, then season with the salt, pepper, gumbo filet, and thyme. Now add the roux and mix well. Add the sausage, cover, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, return the chicken to the pot, cover, and cook for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and allow the liquid to reduce by 1/3. Now add the shrimp and crab legs and continue cooking, allowing the liquid to reduce by an additional 1/3. After your liquid has reduced, it is ready to serve. Every family has a unique way of making gumbo. Let me know how you make yours in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.